Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up? It's time for Practical Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 好，大家好，我是 Alice Paul。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And this month, we're teaching you a phrase. It's kind of a form of politeness. When you want to ask a question, you might add, May I ask? 请问，这是一个很有礼貌的方式来跟人家询问一些事情的时候讲的一句话嘛，一个词怎么说呢 ？How do you say that？ 请问，
呛问
，That's how you say it in Hakka。通常我们到一个人生地不熟的地方，就要开始问路嘛，对不对？
对啊。
等，我想到一个笑话。
什么笑话？
请问，中药哪一个中药最容易迷路？
中药。
哪一个中药的那个材料最容易迷路？答案就是人生地不熟。
哎呦！
好 ，anyways， 回到主题，人生地不熟的地方呢，就要好好的来问，比如说怎么去火车站啦 ，right？Let's say you're in a new area and you want to ask where the train station is。请问火车站在哪？
呛问火车头伫哪？
呛问火车头伫哪？呛问，刚刚讲嘛 ，May I ask 火车头？火车头
就是火车站
，That's the train station。
我们也可以说火车站。
火车站 ，OK，that's also the train station。伫哪就是在哪里咯 ？All right， so where is the train station？ 答案可能只是在前面而已啦，直走就会看见。Go straight and you'll see it。
直行就会看到。
这好像听过。直行就是直走嘛。
对。
直行 that means go straight。
就会看到。
就会看到 ，OK， 就会看到。You will see it。就会看到 ，very good。那当然，这时候大家都很礼貌嘛，按字 say 咯，对不对？谢谢你。
按字 say 哦。
That means thank you so much。
那海陆腔讲法比较不一样。
OK。
是吗
？OK，that's a different dialect for saying thank you。All right, let's review all these phrases such as the train station, 火车站，
火车头，
火车头 ，OK, and there's another way of saying it, right? 还有另外一个说法，
火车站。
对，火车站，一个是火车站，一个是火车头啊，是这样子吗？OK, and then 直走 go straight，
直行
，OK, that means just walk straight, go straight, and thank you。
按字 say 哦，
按字 say 哦 ，we say this a lot, but there's another way of saying it。
是吗？
That's a different dialect, okay? And it's all about may I ask something? 请问怎么说？
呛问。
And now you know how to ask something politely in Hakka, and that does today's practical Hakka.
什么大家？
按字 say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.